start with what you have, start more, learn and build, and you will grow. So I think that's all. And thank you very much. And you will note that my English is not very good because I'm currently speaking French, so I'm trying my best to speak English. So really, I'm trying my best. So thank you very much. And yes.
Thank you so much, Happy Salam. Sorry. That was a very insightful section. To us now, it is clear that we should always build our skills, and tech is not just all about coding. Thank you so much. Our next speaker for today is Olarewaju Opeyemi, Executive Assistant and Social Media Manager of Black Scholars Africa. I hope you are here with us. You can unmute your mic and speak. Olarewaju Opeyemi, Executive Assistant and Social Media Manager, Black Scholars Africa. Please unmute your mic and speak.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Good evening, Olarewaju.
Yes, I don't know.
We can hear you.
Okay. But I was giving a book to show.
To tell me.
I don't know what's wrong with my network. Okay. So looking at the flyer, you will see the founder, the CTO, the developer, and next to many names. When I first saw the word blockchain, I thought I needed a math genius or a master code to belong here. Yes, because starting up online, so don't be scared that, oh, before you can be a tech, you must be a code person. My job is to build the bridge between this technology and you. If you feel like tech is too hard for you, this session is for you. Stick to it to the end. Now, digital empowerment. Digital empowerment isn't a fancy phrase. For the African youth, it is a survival kit. Yes, it is a survival kit. We face a high unemployment and currency sensation. Blockchain and emerging tech are the first tools in history that don't care about borders. They don't care about your certificate. They don't care about, okay, you are a Cambridge, you are this, you are that. They only care about your skills and your internet connection. Yes. This meeting, this bootcamp is coming out because we all have internet connection. Yes, internet connection. That is why we're able to be here. We are moving, looking for jobs, to creating digital value on a global scale. Yes, everyone talks about the engineer who built the car. That is the blockchain. But who design the car looks? Who sell the car? Who manage the showrooms? Yes, in Web3, we desperately need a lot of people aside the coders. We need community manager, people who can talk to others, social media skills. We need content creators, people who can explain things in simply format, like they've did. Those that have talked before me, they've talked about it's not a must to be a coder. They've let us know the simplest way you can get into tech, like virtual assistants, executive virtual assistants, people who can keep the chaos organized. Yes, My role as an executive virtual assistant and a social manager is a proof that Web3 economy need human skills just as it needs coding skill. As a social media manager, I tell you this: your Twitter and LinkedIn profile are your new CVs. Yes, let me repeat that. Your Twitter space or any other social media you choose to build on are your new CVs. Yes. Nobody care about the certificates you have lately. They care about what you can offer. What can you bring to, like, the skills you have. In Web3 world, no one asks for your paper certificate. That is, okay, are you a master holder? Are you a PhD holder? What is your qualification in school? What do you study in school? It doesn't have anything to do with what you study. Yes. Are you following the right people on social media? Are you talking about what you are learning? Are you joining community like Blog Scholar Africa? Those of you that are here today, join us, join this community. This is one of it. This is one of it. Digital empowerment starts with how you show up online today. Yes, how you see the online world, how you yourself as a person define it. It is not about what people tell you about it. It is how you see it yourself as a person. At Blog Scholar Africa, we aren't just teaching you about blocks and chains. Yes, let me repeat that. Not just about blocks and chains. We are teaching you how to be relevant in digital first world. Yes, in digital world. Whether you want to be a developer or an admin like me, the goal is the same: to ensure that African youth is not left behind as the world moves to the next version of the internet. Yes, the internet is moving every blessed day. Yes, I know my 10 minutes are almost up. Yes, but journey is just starting. We are just starting. My challenge to you is this: don't let the tech talk intimidate you. Maybe someone has told you, oh, tech is hard. You need to be a coder. You need to have a sleepless night because you can become a tech guru, a tech person, or someone that can be into tech. Yes, find a niche. Find what you love doing. Be marketing it, design it, or administration, and bring this into the blockchain space. Yes, let blockchain know, okay, this is the value that I have to offer as a person. This is me. This is what I bring to blockchain space. It's not about, oh, I need to be very, very knowledgeable. Your personality enough can work in blockchain space. Yes, your personality as a person. You know, do you know what people ask you about? Maybe what people say, okay, help me to do this, and you do it so easily. You don't find it difficult doing. You can bring it to the blockchain space. Yes, like I said again, I'm Olara Jokpemi, and I'm a proof that there is seats and table for you. Let's build. Thank you. Thank you very much for this amazing session. So that's all for now. Thank you for having me.
That was such a beautiful. Thank you so much for your amazing.
You are welcome. You are welcome. I hope my network is not, because I was scared of the network starting from the beginning of the program till the end, because I can't hear you guys very well. That's why I connected to the Bluetooth. So
Oh,
hope I'm going to use my 10 minutes up.
you're telling me.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
So a quick one, please. If you have any questions for any of our speakers, please kindly feel free to ask in the comment section or use your emoji to raise your hand, and we'll be giving the opportunity to speak. So kindly drop your question in the chat and direct them to your speaker if that's possible, or you can just ask your question generally. Minutes for that. And while we are asking questions, please kindly fill the form in the chat box. The form is to confirm your participation. Is to confirm your participation in joining us today. Okay, Joanne is raising her hand. So please, want to give her the opportunity to speak. Please, while we are answering question and asking questions, please feel free to answer to fill the form in the chat box. Thank you. John, please, you can unmute your mic and
Okay, thank you. I just wanted to drop some words here and
Thank you for the speaker before. It's basically everybody is needed in the blockchain space. It doesn't need to have really developers or whatever tech people, because it really starts with educated users itself. As you've seen there in the previous chat, there can be issues with people claiming we have the new money. It's really on the user's end to really judge if it's a cool project, if it's a legal project, if it's a prospective and emerging project, or just a promise or a Ponzi scheme or such. And going onwards from the normal user. The normal user, and for every use case, usually geeks in technology are not good at preparing user interfaces, for example, normal users. They're too technically bound, usually with their vision, because they are deeply into the process of coding good software then. And this makes it hard to really judge if this front end button or requester or whatever else, but of usability reasons. So you don't need any experience in the blockchain space just to provide a good, let's say, task in this space. If it's just a beta tester, if it's just to care about, communicate with developers, communicate with teams, like communicating what's behind this project. Maybe you see some issues in the real life or so. And this is where it starts. So it can be even more than, because when you start to ask questions, and all people who know me already from basic blockchain studies, this is the starting point. Check out to see issues. Check out to see problems in the real life. Check out for chances where blockchain technology can advance or enable, or at least perform tasks more efficiently. So this is again something you don't need to know a lot about what's behind it. So, but from there it emerges. Again, as mentioned, we have open cohort still for enrollment. Check with, for example, Frederick or BSA or the other guys about the enrollments, about getting deeper into blockchain technology. So meaning what's all behind it and so on. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. So my words basically are, everybody can play with this technology and don't need to be afraid to jump in. It's just taking things serious, step by step, and really asking questions and really knowing where to ask questions. So thank you, guys.
Thank you, Joanne, for that beautiful input. And a very big thank you to all our speakers. Thank you so much for your powerful insights. And thank you to everyone who joined us today. I'm very sure that everyone who joined us today has gained something. And this session has shown us that digital empowerment is not optional. It is not optional, it is a necessity, essential for the youth, for the future of African youth. Let's understand that digital empowerment is not optional. It is essential for the future of African youth. We all need to bring our skills, our organization into tech and blockchain. And we currently have on reach out to us on all social media platforms at Block Callers Africa. And I will be handing over to Ms. Miriam Joyful Babatunde for the closing remarks. Mrs. Miriam Babatunde, the co-founder of Block Scholars Africa and a front-end developer. Is Mrs. Miriam here?
Yeah, yes, I am.
Okay, thank you, Mariam. You have the floor.
Okay. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so very much. We are very happy to have you here. We are very happy for the wonderful session. And as we come to the end of today's webinar, I want us all to remember one simple truth. Technology is not the future, it is the present. And the youth are not waiting to become leaders tomorrow. They are leaders today. So technology has given young people something powerful, not just tools, but choices. The choice to learn, the choice to create, the choice to earn, and the choice to tell our own stories. Whether you are a developer, a creative, an entrepreneur, a student, or someone still figuring things out, there is a place for you in the tech driven world we are building. There is a place for everybody. So I've shared my journey as both a developer and a fashion entrepreneur through Joyful Outfits and a lot of transformation, right? So it can look like code, it can look like content, clothing, or community. What matters is intent, consistency, and courage. So as you live here today, don't ask yourself, am I ready? Instead, ask yourself, what is one step I can take? Learn one skill, build one idea, create one solution, and support one another. If we commit to using technology with purpose, integrity, and creativity, we won't change individual lives. We will transform communities and shapes. So thank you to our speakers, our organizers, and every young person who showed up today with curiosity and hope. Let this not be the end of a conversation, but the beginning of an action. Thank you so very much, everyone, and have a wonderful day. Now, whatever you are doing.
Like Mariam has said, thank you so much, everyone. Let this not be the end of the conversation. Let's make it the beginning of something new, something powerful. On behalf of Block Scholars Africa, we appreciate your time, your energy, and your participation. Please stay connected. We look forward to seeing you at our future section. Thank you, everyone. We look forward to seeing you at our future section.